Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So first tie the hairs on the top and then rotate it. Now fix this beautiful hair band on the hairs. Now to fix the ribbon on it, we will make the plaits on the hairs. Pull out the hairs from the sides little bit like this. Now we will fix it on the sides and make a ponytail. Fix it properly by making the plaits like this and it's ready. You can fold it on the sides and put the hair clips like this to fix it and it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to make the plaits on the top like this. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now again take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it like this. Now divide the hairs into 3 parts and make the plaits like this in the between of the hairs. Fix it properly as shown in the video. Put a hair clip and it's ready. Next, you have to take the hairs in the front and then tie it and then rotate it using the hair styling tool like this. After rotating the hairs, we will fix the hairs by making the plaits. Take the hairs from the sides also a little bit. Fix it one by one as shown in the video. Fix it properly by taking the hairs from the lines like this. Join it one by one. Fix it properly. Tie it like this. Follow the same step for the other side of the hairs. You have to follow the same procedure till the end. Now make all the plaits on the hairs like this. Fix it and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to tie the hairs on the top and make the plaits on it. Now fold it and fix it like this. Now tie rest of the hairs by taking the hairs in the small sections. Join them one by one little bit. Now fix it at the end and divide them into small sections. Pull out the hairs little bit and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs on the top. Now take the hairs on the sides and then join it like this. Take the hairs from the sides and make the plaits on it again by fixing the rest of the hairs. Take it till the end again and tie all the hairs in the same manner. Fix it properly. Now tie it using a rubber band, fold it and fix it and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs on the sides and then join it like this. Now rotate it. Follow the same process for the other side. Now make the plaits like this by taking the hairs from the lines on the sides as well. Take the hairs from the back in the sections. Join it from the sides as well. Make the plaits. Follow the same process for the other side of the hairs. Now make the plaits till the end and fix the hairs in the same manner. Tie it at the end and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be tying the hairs on the sides like this. First, we will tie the hairs on the top and make the plaits. Now take the hairs by the sides and then join it on the back and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will divide the hairs and make the plaits on it. Fold it upward and fix it like this using the hairpins and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs on the sides, make the plaits on it like this. Join the hairs by making the plaits, fix it properly as we are fixing it. Watch the technique how we are making the plaits. Follow the same step for the other side of the hairs and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it.